Hi guys, so here we go. So I'm gonna put my spinach inside my blender. Blend. So that one. Then I'm gonna put my cucumbers in. So what's in? Cucumber and that. And spinach. Next, we have coconut milk. So it's just a generous amount. So you can go with as much as you like and as little as you want. So I'm gonna put it like this. Oh, I'm gonna put half. I might make 2 bottles of it. 2 like water bottles, you know. Put 1 like these bottles. So, okay. Let me put some more stuff in there. So I use coconut milk, but you can use any kind of nut milk that you want. There we go. So I put spinach and cucumber and coconut milk. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more stuff in there. Just stay tuned with me. Watch what's happening. So next I'm gonna add my protein shake. Okay, so about 2 spoons I'm gonna put in because these things ain't cheap. So let's go. Here we go. So I think it comes with a scoop-a-doop. So I'm gonna add 2 of the scoops in there. It's quite level. So I'm gonna add 2 scoops. Alright. Let's put that. So I'll be back in a bit. So now I'm gonna use some almond nut. I've got that in there. So I'm gonna just pop that in there. Oops. If you're allergic to nuts, then you can leave that out if you don't want it in there. But I like nuts, so I'm just gonna put it in there, okay? So here I have my pumpkin seeds. So I'm gonna add some into that, okay? So, back in a bit. There we go, pumpkin seed. So, there we go. It's like a concoction there. So I'm gonna put some of this in there as well. There we go. I'm gonna put it into my smoothie. Oh, by the way, I put some more spinach. So I'm gonna add some flax seeds. So I'm gonna add vanilla extract. It has to be vanilla extract. Okay, so I add this one. Ooh, generous amount I normally put. Half a teaspoon. The pink salt. I never know how to call it, but it's the pink salt. Okay, now everything is in there, so I'm just gonna blend. Here we go. Don't mind the mess. Let's blend. The smoothie is... Hi guys, so I fancy another smoothie. This time it's only fruits. Gonna go blop banana block of a smoothie. Bananas. Okay, there we go again. Pop, and another one. Then I'm gonna put blueberries in. Here we go. Blop. Okay. Just a little bit. Oh, that's even more than a little bit. I kept saying it was milk, but it's drink. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna add this into it. These are almond nuts. I don't know what it's gonna taste like, but here. Oops. Thank you. Oh, here goes nothing. So let's pour it out and see what it looks like. Enjoy. Yummy. Good morning again. Another one for you. This morning I am going to be drinking okra water. It's very slimy. Ew. This is my drink for the morning before I eat anything. I have my glass here. Looks so good. So good. Okay. It's good for you. Don't worry about the slime, but it's good for you. So I hope you can follow me with all this healthy drinks and stuff that I'm making. So yeah. My channel is about everything, you know, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I got some beans that I got from the shop that I eat as a salad. I just opened the tin and put this in this little Tupperware. So I have this now. I'm gonna drink that water, not the okra, like, you know, but I'm gonna drink the water and put the rest in the fridge for tomorrow. All right, so try it. You might like it.